Here's a 2017 Lincoln MKX. When it comes to your drive, you have to consider all the details: comfort, space, efficiency, safety. This Lincoln MKX covers everything perfectly. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice-activated climate controls, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and memory exterior door mirror settings. Lincoln, this is your comfort zone. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Elliott Auto Group. We don't do things the old way, we do them the right way. Schedule your test drive today. We're located just off I-30 on Burton Road in Mount Pleasant.